Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader for this exclusive members-only event. This is for our members only. We are doing a scalp trading session right now with Virgin Galactic. This is my live trades, my real money, all of my real money, and I've traded Virgin Galactic today about 15 times. It's the way to lower my average, make micro profits all the way down. Let's get straight into it right now. Here we go. So. Good afternoon, Caden Youngquist. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to see you. Here is my position on Virgin Galactic now. Down 3% today. I've just done another 100 shares. In fact, I've done it several today, about 15 trades of 100 shares at a time. Let's get straight into it. Left school to come and trade. Fantastic. There we go. Let's get straight into it. Got Caden Youngquist here, just joined us. This is a members only event this afternoon. Bought XYLD today. I'm focused on VOO right now, which is of course the SPX, but this is a cheaper way of doing it. Has a lower expense ratio. That's why I'm using it. Let's have a quick look right now. We're getting ready to buy our next 100 shares on Virgin Galactic. Our average now is down to 569, and we just bought here and sold here again. So we've just done another micro trade just a few moments ago, just before I came on air. So here we go. We're waiting to do it again. We just need to keep taking profits, keep lowering our average all the time to protect ourselves from this ever increasing drop. So let's look at the chart right now. You can see we just had a couple of red candles. We're waiting now for it to fall again, and I want to get it. It bounces off this level here. Let me share with you. It bounces off here, 533. So we're looking to get down to there. If we can. We just did a trade just a few moments ago. I'll show you. Look, I did 100 at 534 and then 100 at 537. So it wasn't huge amounts of profit, but it's micro trades, micro improvements all the time. And it's the only way we can survive in this climate right now. Anyway, it is what it is. Welcome everybody. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up as well. Let me know you're here. Smash the like button. That'd be great. And we are trading live Virgin Galactic here right now. Going to keep trading and keep making money all the way down. Not doing options trading. Not doing that. Over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Thank you very much indeed. Good afternoon, sir. At the end of my stream today, I'll make your video for you. You notice we have a Luca badge owner, a subscriber. It's a fantastic way to promote your TikTok channel, which is even better to promote your YouTube channel. What you need, if you get a lot of people to watch you on YouTube, oh, there you go. There's my star. See it? Just click the star up there, and you can subscribe to me. You can only do it in a live show, by the way. Then at the end of the video, I will put your video, your channel on this screen here and make a video for you. Hiya, Rob. How are you this afternoon? Caden Youngquist, you should try that. It really works. It's a couple of bucks. Subscribe to me on TikTok. I will then follow you and I will make a promotional video for you on my channel. I've nearly got 25,000 followers now, and I get about 8% from TikTok come to YouTube. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, back to my YouTube audience. I'm scalping and playing puts on Spce as well. Yes, you got the same thing. You're doing it for options trading. I might give it a shot. Yeah, I mean, it's worth it. You can do it for 1 month and see how you get on. But I've got, I think, 12 or 13 now subscribers. And they all want me to make a video. I've got a guy just coming today. I'm down big past 3 days. Got to restart my strategy or something. Jav Bors, another one of my subscribers. Have I made you a video yet? If I haven't, tell me and I'll make it for you. Send me a message. My subscribers on TikTok. You might not want one anyway. Let's get back to... oh, hang on a minute. Let me just do something here. There we go. I had to put my do not disturb. I had that on my phone. Okay. The Twitch giveaway. The Twitch giveaway is once a month on the first Friday. We only do it once a month on the first Friday, whereas the YouTube giveaway is every Friday. So there's no Twitch today. It's on the first Friday of the month. Could Space go to 3? You could say anything you like. No one knows. I'm just lowering my averages, getting free stocks all the way down. Don't play puts right now on Space. I'm not doing any options trading. You guys are the options traders. I don't like it. I don't like it. I just buy with real money, and I own the pie. Anyway, I'm waiting to do it again. I just bought here again and sold here. We are nearly at a place I want to come back in again. Very close. In fact, I might even do it again now. 534, sold at 537. Might do it again. In fact, I'll put an order in. I'll put an order in for 100 shares. 100 shares. In fact, might even do 200 shares. 200 shares at 534. Buy. It's a market limit order. Limit order. 534. 534. 534, 200, review the order. There you go. Limit order, 534, 200 shares. Buy. Oh, we've got to do a security measure. There we go. Look at that. It's come up on the screen. Just bear with me. I've got to do security. It comes up from time to time. Continue. Just bear with me. I've got to do a security check for Robinhood. Just bear with me a second. Robinhood, here we just go. Here we go. This happens. Don't you hate it when it happens during a live show? Of course, Robinhood didn't make this with the basis of you were trading it as a live show, right? Space order placed 200 at 534. Okay, done. That's done. There you go. 534. Ready to buy 200 at 534. You can options $500 on Microsoft and make $200 in a day and then sell the contract. You can options $500 on Microsoft and then make in the new year so we can chat. Yes, I'd love to learn more about options trading from you. You're the right person to learn it from. I need to upgrade my membership in the new year so we can chat. The more money you can options, the more money you have, options becomes less risky, way less time than scalping all day long. Right, here we go, 534. Yeah, but you've got to remember also, I'm providing a YouTube show. Like I said before, some people go, you know, why don't you just leave your money in VU and come back in 5 years? Well, can you imagine that? Wouldn't be much of a show, would it? Happy time with Martyn. Hey, there he is. Constant courage. Ray, how are you, mate? I win more than I lose, but when I get burned, it's my fault because I'm too optimistic. Options is trading on steroids. It's great. Okay, here we go. I'm about to buy 200 shares on Virgin Galactic. If it goes to 534, it'll probably need to be 533. Remember, the market makers work that way. I'm in this room too. Absolutely great. This is a special members-only event. It's our second members-only event. Thanks to all my TikTokers over there. We've got a target of 23 stars. If you click the star here and become a subscriber, I make a video for you and promote your channel. I put it on here, record a video and make it and invite people to subscribe to your channel. I like Apple for options. 536. There you go. I would have made some money, but this is the only downside to using a limit order. The market makers want to make their money too. So 544, 534 is more like 533 and a half. That's how it works. So, but that's okay. That's okay. We're watching it right now. Welcome to our exclusive member-only show. Welcome to you. Here's our position now, 536. At 534, I'm buying 200 shares. Our overall position right now, you can see we are down 2%. We're trying to push up. Our VU position is bringing us down, and we are buying more on the way down, so that's okay. Here is our VU position. It's trading sideways now, and I've been buying more of it. I've now got 41. It's going sideways all day, so I'm happy with that. Just holding it, not selling it, just adding to it all the time. And you can see there, back to Virgin Galactic now. Or Virgin Orbit just popped up. We were keeping an eye on Virgin Orbit as well, but this is a Virgin Galactic show. 536. At 534, it'll be 533.5 if you want to include the market makers. How many of you watching? If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. We've got some new guests join in. This is a members-only event, exclusive for our members. Guests can watch and enjoy. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. If you become a member to our channel, you can be in this event. You can call in. You can be live on the show. You can share your views, videos, pictures, images, whatever you like. He spoke everyone weeks ago and killed my contracts. Virgin Galactic. I'm out flying my drone. Fantastic. This is a members exclusive event right now here on YouTube. Thanks for joining me over on TikTok. Welcome. The link's in the profile. Come and join us on YouTube. You can see what's going on. Or 535. It'll buy at 534. It will need to go to 533 probably, or somewhere in between, because that's the way the market makers make their money with free trades on Robinhood. Doesn't affect you, but that's how it works. My goal is to monetize on YouTube by next summer. And with the rate you're going, you will be. Yeah, with the rate you're going, you will be, mate. 535. One more cent and I'm back in another 200 shares. You can see the position there now. As soon as it hits 534, we're back in again. And then we'll set a sell for 200 at 537. All the time. I hope I'm motivated to get it done. And you have helped me out so much, Martyn. It means so much to me. It's my absolute pleasure, mate. My absolute pleasure. And remember, 95% of YouTubers fail. Don't be the 95. Be the 5%. Know that you're an exclusive club to get monetized. You only ever see the successful channels. You very rarely see the ones because they don't suggest them to you, right? The channels with no subscribers and no views and the ones that give up, you don't see. And there's millions of those channels. Never get seen. So remember, the fact you're growing means you're being seen, means you're being suggested. Slowly you'll grow. But it's all about consistency, commitment, and you need to create a community. More importantly now than ever, it's not about you. It's about what you can deliver for your community. If you're just focused on you, and so many YouTubers are, you will eventually lose your community. It's about the audience, not you. You are extremely privileged to have people here giving up their time to be with you. And everybody who's watching now has watched an ad, and I've earned 1 cent per person. It's nothing, it's tiny, but it adds up. Remember how I bought my house? 4 years on cruise ship, $1 tips. Same thing. The biggest investment you make is not your stocks and shares. The biggest investment you make is yourself. And if you believe that you're providing a product and a service that people want and need, keep doing it. And don't give up. And don't compare yourself to anyone else. Don't look at anybody else's channel and think, oh, they've got more views than me, and why is that? I mean, I think I've got one of the best productions and, you know, the best camera setup, sound and audio and presentation than anyone. I do. I believe that. I hope that doesn't sound arrogant. It's just that I work in sound and cameras and lights, and I think I do. And there are people with way more success than me who just do it on their phones. So, you know, it's not about the production. You do that for yourself. You do that for your own enjoyment. You do that for yourself. The audience, it's about the community and the integrity of the family that watch you. And that's what that's about. The cameras and the lights is all just for you, because it makes you feel good and it makes you, you know, it interests you and excites you. You don't need to do it though. You don't need to spend a penny. You can just do it on your phone. Spend absolutely nothing. People don't come for that. Right, we've got 14 watching now. You're all waiting for this is like a special event, right? We don't normally do the Chiggy song, all right? This is scalp trading, but I'm afraid I'm going to have to do it because I've got 14 watching and 7 likes. So I get what I get it. You all going, well, we'll like it if you do the song, right? Okay, here it is. 1 minute, I want 14 likes. Said chiggy 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 pow pow. Said chiggy 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 pow pow. There go the likes. There go the likes. Come on then. Live event. Virgin Galactic members only event here right now. Smash the like button. Chiggy 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 pow pow. All right. We've got a couple more. I think we've got some people here who are guests who aren't members of the show. That's what's going on right now. The overall portfolio, you can see we're down 2%. We saw VU this afternoon drop, but I've been buying and it's been going sideways, so I'm okay with that. It's Friday, right? Back to Virgin Galactic. This is a Virgin Galactic exclusive event this afternoon. Let's look at our chart again. You can see, right, we get a bit of a buy-in now. We're waiting for, let me share with you my chart. We are looking now at 534, another 200 shares. Let's read some of these comments out. I hope I'm motivated to get it done, and you have helped me out so much. You are very welcome, mate. What else have we got here? I keep holding on to Apple, but I might get rid at some point as they're not doing very good. But remember, Apple is one of the biggest part of the S&P 500. It's in every index. So just bear that in mind before you start getting rid of your Apple. I've got a drone. It's slowly replacing photography. Well, it is. It still is photography, right? Just moving photography. 536. We're going sideways. We're just waiting for one little drop. It's great. It's not dropping. I mean, that's good. It's great. It's not dropping. It's holding its own now at 536 all day long. Friday, it's great. It's great. It's not dropping. But I want to buy it again at 534 and trade it at 537. See if we can do that. 536. Okay, if you just tuned in, welcome to our event. It's a members exclusive event today. And as a quick commercial break, we'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. I told you it'd be 10 seconds, didn't I? Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thanks for the follows. We are trading Virgin Galactic. If you'd like more detail, you'd like to be more, closer to the action, see what's going on, this is our YouTube broadcast. If you come into YouTube and you're a member, you can call live into the show. You can be on the show. You can actually phone in using our Discord. You can share your positions. You can ask questions, things you might want to know about my trades. Come and join us. The link's in the profile here. Come into YouTube. All right. We're back to 534 now. 536. As soon as I get to 534, I've got 200 ordered. We're keeping an eye on the chart all the time. Here is the chart. 536. Waiting for a 534. Thank you for all the follows on TikTok. Appreciate it very much. If you want the best experience, though, you want to be on YouTube. Thank you to all our Twitch and Facebook audience as well this afternoon. Thanks to all of you. Rappo, is that Rappo? Rappo Lever, are you in the chat right now? Rappo Lever, you in the chat? And Mason Trades as well in the chat. And Granite in the chat. If you subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime, it's free. Turn on gaming. You can be in a cash prize draw every Friday, every first Friday of the month for free using Amazon Prime. You can be in that. It's completely free. Okay. 537. It's a shame the market makers squeezed me out a little bit there. That's how they make their money. I've got to buy. I was at 534. And said it, and it didn't go through. So I'm waiting for it to go to 534 to be able. And I would have sold it at 537. I would have taken that profit. 538. It doesn't matter, though, because I'm winning either way. I've got 1,600 shares, and I only want 1,400. So it doesn't matter to me. This is the purpose of holding the amount you want, adding to the amount that you're prepared to trade in and out. And I've got 1,600. If we popped up to $6 now, $6, I would sell those. I would sell 200, and if we go down to 534, I'm going to buy 200. So it doesn't matter to me. I'm making money either way. I'm lowering my average, preparing for the future. That's all I'm doing all the time. Let's look at overall portfolio. Let's see how it's affected by it now. Yep, getting better, and considering. Let's have a look. I'll share with you. Down just 1.85, and considering that we are now on a sell-off Friday, awful. The SPX broke 3,900. I am happy with this. I am holding on to my positions, improving my positions all the time, getting ready for when the good times come back. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you. 538. It's a great shame that didn't go through on 534. I would have sold it. But as I say, if it goes up, I win. If it goes down, I win. It doesn't really matter. So we're waiting for our next position now. This show is going to run until another 20 minutes. And then I'm going to end and then come back for the closing bell this afternoon when I'm trading all my stocks, my entire portfolio. This is just a Virgin Galactic special, just for the members only. 538. $537. Gonna have patience, discipline. We had a good cash giveaway this morning. Ledwidge won the cash prize. Congratulations to him. He didn't have PayPal. He's in Australia, so I sent it to him via. PayPal. He's very happy. I'm listening to you in my car on my loudspeaker, so anyone would think you're in England as well now. Brilliant. Hello, everybody in Real Ray's. If you're walking past Real Ray's car, make sure it's Real Ray who's driving it. Otherwise, someone's stolen his car. So, is that the Real Ray? Is this person in the car the person who really owns his car? Beep, beep, beep. I'm a talking car. I have been stolen. My owner is not my real owner. Beep, 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 beep. Someone come rescue me. I am the new talking car, and this is not the Real Ray. Beep, 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 beep. Someone help. Someone help me. Beep, beep, beep. Can you imagine? Someone's walking past thinking, hang on a minute, someone's broken into this car. What's going on? Is he the real Ray? Don't know. He's a pretend Ray. No one knows. All right. can imagine now. So a policeman just walked up to him going, your car, sir, is identifying you as not the owner of this car. Would you kindly step out, please? You go, well, I am the owner. This is just some clown on YouTube. No, I don't think so. It sounds like the car is informing us you're not the real owner. All right, okay. Be very, very wary. Okay, Virgin Galactic now, 537. We're waiting for our next opportunity now to buy again. As soon as it goes to 534, we're going to scalp it again. I'm so frustrated because I would have sold it at 537. This is the trouble when you do it. You do it with limit orders. If you do it manually, you don't always get the best price, but you can sense the direction of the traffic. And if I bought it at 534, even if I paid 535, I would have made a profit and I would have sold it at 538, even if it had gone at 537. It doesn't matter. That is a downside to doing it. Old Man Covert just donated a super chat. Thank you very much indeed for your support. There we go. We've just got someone come in here. I don't think they're actually they're a guest. They can't comment in the chat. Then should we invite them in to our exclusive club? Trust me, honestly, you can't ask anyone because it's a members only event. If you become a member of our channel, I promise you will love it. I promise you will love it. And if you don't love it, you'll be the first person. We give 20 times back what you put in. Trust me. I'm the world piano man. You get birthday requests. I sing songs. I do music, cash giveaways, promote your YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, look at this. Old man Covert is giving super chats on the show. This is a guest, not even a member. We have a guest coming in today, loving the show. Become a member. It's less than you've given me as a tip, and you get so much more. Wow, look at that. What a wonderful honor that is. What a wonderful honor. Someone's just come in as a guest who's tipped me. That's incredible. What a wonderful gesture that is. So, 539. Let's go back to our trading screen again. I'm going up whichever way it works. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Old Man Covert. If you come back in the closing bell this afternoon, if someone tips $10 and you are up to 7 now, it pays for the copyright that I will get and lose the ad revenue that I will get. And I can do a live song for you. One of 14 different voices in 7 languages, 650 songs here in my studio. Look, behind me. The piano's at the back there, and I will do a request for you. Anyway, let's go back to the chart. Okay. Let me share with you now. I thought I would let you know that despite your best efforts, I did not get arrested by the police. I love it. Let me put that comment on the screen. Despite your best efforts, I did not get arrested by the... That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I love it. Brilliant. Old Man Covert. Let me give you the invitation to join. You need a browser because he's given me more tips than it would be to be a member, and he gets so much more benefits. We've got a guest here who's not even a member tipping me. It's incredible. As a bonus, I actually bought Virgin Galactic at 536. Oh, I'm happy. Yes, well done. Well done. I've got 1,600 shares. I don't care if it doesn't go down because I've got more than I actually need or more than I can actually deserve and more than I can actually afford anyway. The 534 would have simply been a scalp trade. So if it goes down, great. I pick up more, sell it. Oh, welcome to bronze. We've just got a new member, Carl Wagner. Welcome to the membership. You are now a member of our channel. You can now chat in the channel, call in. You can have a birthday song for you of your family when it's your birthday. I'm the World Piano Man, so you or any member of your family can celebrate your birthdays on this show. I go back to the piano. Let me give you a wave. And I sing happy birthday for you. You can request songs. You can access Discord. You can call in. I will reply to all your comments on TikTok and YouTube. I will follow you as well. If you are a YouTuber, I will also subscribe to your channel and follow you. If you're a silver member, I can give you a 20-minute concert for a fundraiser. We've raised lots of money for charities all over the world. 40,000 for the nurses, 40,000 for the Lions Club, 30,000 for a homeless shelter in Dallas. The perks go on forever and ever. You can also be at our convention in England on the 15th of October. We're going to Virgin Orbit to make a movie. You can be there if you're from England. We've got people from all over the world flying in. For $50 or $50, you can be there. Thank you very much indeed for your membership. Now, I'm going to give you the Discord group, Wellworth Trading. As you become a member, you can now access Discord. When you get onto Discord, let me know what your username is here in YouTube, because people will pretend to be you, so we don't want that to happen. And I will upgrade your account manually on the show. You can then call in live on the show. I'll give you an example of what that sounds like. Here are some of the people that have called in on our show.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There you go. You can call in and be part of it. We are live 10 hours a day for our members. We are always here, breaking news, live trades, live investments. On the closing bell, which will be in an hour and 15 from now, I cover my entire portfolio. But this is a Virgin Galactic special, okay? That's what this is right now. So anyway, there you go. Once you get the Discord, let me know. Here is Discord on the screen. Covert. Is that you, old man? Is that you? Let's have a little look. This is this Covert, old man Covert? Is that you? That might be you. You can't see any of the channels at the moment because you're not a YouTube member. If you become a YouTube member, you can actually, I can upgrade you. Another reason why you need to be on as a YouTube member. Anyway, getting back to our trades. Meta tanking, love it. We're not looking at Meta this afternoon. This is a Virgin Galactic exclusive event. That's what we're doing right now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Mason Kirk, welcome to you. We've just been making money. We've traded 15 times today on Virgin Galactic, and we're still doing it to lower averages, making micro profits, waiting for the good times to come, saving our portfolio, basically. Our overall portfolio now, let me share with you, is 35,935. We're down 1.86 today, but I'm okay with it. A quick look at VU. You can see, not Virgin Orbit, beg your pardon. VU trading sideways, and I picked up another 5 shares today to balance all this out, to balance the risk of my Virgin Galactic. 538. Trying to get all 3 shares. That's the idea. Keep making profits all the time. I'll share everyone's comments. Mason Kirk, there's your comment on the screen. Thank you for being here. So, thank you for all the follow. How do you think the merger of Ethereum will affect the future? The Ethereum merger, people have got the wrong idea about the Ethereum merger. YouTubers who make videos on crypto love it, because they've made about, the big YouTubers like BitBoy and Cryptos Are Us, that they earn about 10 grand a video from telling you Ethereum, Bitcoin going to $1 million and it's all great. It's all nonsense. I do believe in crypto. I've made money on Ethereum. I've made money on Bitcoin, but I'm out of both right now. I'm buying it as it goes down. Ethereum merger was purely great for the people that are behind the scenes with the technical skills of it all, because it's exciting for them, because because it enables Ethereum to do more things that it couldn't do before in perhaps a more efficient way. But to you, the retail investor who's put your money on it, doesn't benefit you one iota. And when the big YouTubers tell you it does to get you to watch the video to make money, they win, you lose, because it hasn't gone up. And Bitcoin has been proved over and over again that it's not a hedge against inflation. If it was, it should be $1 million right now, but it's not. It's not. It's not a hedge against inflation, and Ethereum didn't pop up because of the merger. That was rubbish. Great for the people that done it. Great success. Amazing, amazing achievement, technically speaking, but doesn't help you as the investor one iota. Doesn't benefit you at all. All right, so I said it would pop up a bit at some point in the next couple of months maybe, and then drop back down again. But it didn't do anything. The merger itself did nothing. That's why I'm out, and why I advise everyone to be out before it happened. Anyway, long-term, Ethereum and Bitcoin is going to be great. Short-term, it's only good for those that are promoting it and telling you it's going to be great. Anyway, I feel so sorry for the people that are so gullible to the people that talk rubbish on YouTube. YouTube is not a reference point. You say, well, you're on YouTube. I'm not the reference point. I'm not the reference point. The community that is watching me now and talking to me is the reference point. The collective truth of experiences is the benefit. Not me. People that are watching, people that talk together. This is my real experience, and I'm learning from you, and you learn from me. Hopefully, we learn from each other. People that just talk to you and tell you what you should do with your money, rubbish. YouTube is not a financial advice channel. It's entertainment, and that's it. But this channel is about community. It's not about me or me making money out of anybody. Preach. Mason Kirk, preach. What do you mean by that, mate? The thing with YouTube, we get comments on the screen, is you can never understand the accent that's put to a comment. It depends. I agree with you. Oh, I see. Oh, thank you very much. There you go. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I love your setup. Are you a day trader or something? Because your setup is great. I love it. Those screens you got all set up like that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is what we're focusing on. Let's get back to work. Trying to get 534. Trying to catch it on the next downtrend. Yes, sir. Day trading options. Oh, you're cleverer than me then. You're cleverer than me. I don't like options. I like to own a piece of the pie, not the contract of the promise of buying the pie. I like to actually own the pie. I only buy companies I believe in. I don't buy them to short them. Cause, you know, I don't buy stuff to make money. I buy stuff because I like the company. I like where the company is going. The money takes care of itself. I don't focus on making the money. I focus on owning the company as efficiently as possible. In other words, as cheaply as possible. That's it. And my job is to get all my stocks to the lowest price I can. Every time things drop, buy them cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Micro trade, end up with free shares. So when the good times do come, which ultimately they will for any stock, unless it's a bad junk stock. But then I don't buy junk stocks unless I purposely entertaining you guys like Mullen and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, Virgin Galactic. Let's look back at the chart and see what it looks like. Let's see if the candles are warming up. Let's have a quick look here. This is Virgin Galactic now. You can see there's been a bit of buy-in. It's exactly, and the volume is increasing on the buy-ins. It's good, but I would have sold it at 538. Would have sold it at 538. But I was half a cent out, and you can be half a cent out because I set 534 and it was at 534. It should have bought, but it didn't because the market makers make their micro profits. It had to go to 533 or 533 and a half to me to get it to 534. That's how it works. That's how Robinhood make their money when they don't charge you any money. It doesn't matter to you because you're getting the price you want, right? It doesn't matter. It's not about the price anyway. It's about the percentage of differences. That's all that matters. And it's about you buying the company because you believe in the company. And I don't really care what I pay for this stock now. It's not the price I'm investing in, it's the value. All I'm trying to do is bring my average share price down so I can make money when the price goes up. But it's not the price I'm investing in. If I bought it at 534 and it goes lower, I don't care. I'll just buy it lower. Anyway, Netflix. I love Netflix. I'm a customer of Netflix, but I wouldn't invest in it. Why? Doesn't do anything proprietary. It's not an Apple. It's not a Microsoft. It's not a Virgin Galactic. It's not a SpaceX. It's not these sort of companies they're on their own. It doesn't do anything. It makes movies. Well, whoop-de-doo. Amazon can buy them out. Disney could buy them out. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything unique. I want to buy the one product that's different, the one company that's different than everybody else's. Not the same. What's the point of that? Okay. Is Old Man Covert still watching? Let's have a look. Old Man, is he? Oh, he's still here. He hasn't become a member. I don't understand why he hasn't become a member. You become a member and get so many benefits to being a member. And it's far cheaper than anything. There you go. Let me give you the link to become a member again. Yeah, I'm 28, living at home, just building a portfolio from almost nothing. I know that. I started from $5,000. So I'd love to just trade shares, but I need to build first. Yes, but I have been holding Tesla shares. Oh, really? You've been holding Tesla for 3 years? Oh, well, you've got a great deal then. Your portfolio, even if you've only got one, you must be doing all right. Nice to meet a fellow Tesla great shareholder. Absolutely awesome. Nice. That's awesome. There's my Tesla position. I've got 39 shares. Originally 13, right? Anyway, we're not talking about Tesla right now. This is Virgin Galactic special, so we've got to focus on that. And it's time for a very quick 10-second commercial break. If you see the ad, you can skip it or watch it. If you want to give me a cent, I appreciate it. Here we go. Coming right up in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. Can you imagine eventually when other people have you on the loudspeaker in their car, people will just say, oh, it's Martyn. Can you imagine eventually when other people have you on their loudspeaker in their car, people will just say, oh, it's Martyn. Yeah, that's right. Going to be the most famous YouTuber in the world. 538. I love it's going up, but it's bloody frustrating that I can't get it at 534. I would have sold it now. Damn it. Doesn't matter. Just want to trade. I did a couple of trades before I came on the show, and since the show started, I've only done one. This is supposed to be a live trading show. I want to trade. I want to provide entertainment. I want you to see what I'm doing. $538. So if it keeps going up like this, once we hit 6, if we do, I will trim it back to 1,500 shares. If, however, it goes to 534, I've got a buy to buy 200 more shares. So either way, I win. Right, the overall portfolio is down 2% now. And can you see this pattern here? It's worth noting. This pattern here suggests a breakout. Again, I'm not a chart reader. I don't like chart reading. I don't go off charts. I go off my own feeling of where the world is going and how people are reacting in the world. And right now, other people are looking at that and they're going, the chart is about to break out. And no one knows which way, of course, but it starts to, when these peaks and troughs get narrower and narrower, it suggests a breakout position. Now, it's Friday, typically Friday, sell-off, typically, but that's why I'm trying to trade out in case, that's why I'm trying to get a quick trade of Virgin Galactic and trade it out again. Don't want to hold too much. I don't know which way it's going. People will tell you they know which way it's going. They're talking rubbish. They don't know. No one knows. That's why it's all about risk management. An idiot can make money on the stock market. Monkey, easy. The hard part is to keep it. That's why I go live all the time like this. Down 3% the S&P, but we're not doing that. We're focusing on Virgin Galactic. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What's here we go? What are you expecting to see? What are you expecting to see, church? You say, here we go. What's here we go? What are you seeing? You said, here we go. What was after that? If you've just tuned in this afternoon, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, let me know you're here. We've got just a couple of minutes to go, and then I'm taking a short break, and I'll be back for the closing bell. I buy stocks to make money, not trust the rich with my money. I will read the charts. Oh, is that what you're saying? I buy stocks to make money, not trust the rich with my money. I will read the charts. It's a numbers game. Yeah. I think there's more to it than that. I think if you focus on the problem, you never see the solution. I just focus on the solution, never the problem. For me, it's about people. Stu Walk, how are you, Stu Walk? 538. 539. I would have sold this again. Hey, you. 534. I was right there with 200 shares. Damn it. Doesn't matter. It's great. I got 1,600, which is over allocated anyway. So I only want 1,400. So it doesn't really matter. But would have been really nice, right? I would have set a stop trail loss now of 2 cents. And 540. It's doing really nicely too. Am I going to buy it now? No, because we are in a downtrend. I'm not going to get excited. And it's not because of the channels, all this, all that. I don't look at the clouds and see the moon. This is because people right now understand it's Friday. People are greedy. People are upset because Ethereum didn't pay off. People are mistrusting the stock market, hence why Church is talking about, I don't trust rich people. That sentiment tells you everything. That tells you much more than a chart will ever tell you. So my feeling right now is this won't keep pumping because people are moving money into stocks that are making money. Virgin Galactic is one for the future, and people are greedy and people are impatient and people have lost a lot of money on crypto. Ethereum let them down. We're coming into a Friday. We've got a bank holiday in England on Monday because of the Queen's funeral. So we've got a sentiment of getting out of the market. So that's why if I'd got it for 534 and I was right there, it was 0.5 cent away, I would be selling it now. In fact, I would set a stop trail loss at 538 with a 2 cent drop. So I'll always get 538. I would have made 4 cents a share and I'll trail it up. Love my charts. I'm about to make money at 541 reading the charts. Well, bloody carry on then. Carry on. But the collective of Church and me and Market Profit and Stewart and Real Ray and Mason Kirk and everybody else, it brings you together with a perfect mixture of the balance that you need. And it's all about, more than anything else, it's about your temperament. Because if you react because you're following a chart and your emotions are out of whack, then you will make the wrong decision every single time. Whereas if you're calm and collected, you'll always make the right decision because you'll let the money come to you rather than chasing it. We are a balanced family. We are indeed. Sell and it will drop to 536 and then buy again. Sell and it will drop to 536 and then buy again. Well, I can't sell. I didn't get the 534. I've already sold all the other trades I've made today. I have sold them. Every time I bought here, I sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Done all that. Done it. I'm waiting to buy at 534 to sell it above. And the shares above this point are around the 560, 70, 10, $6. They're not ready for selling yet. They're still baking in the oven. They're going nowhere. I love all perspectives. Absolutely. Live in London. You'll soon learn about perspectives. Oh my gosh. It's the melting pot of the world. Here's the chart right now. You can see. Now, we're getting, see, it's starting to cool down now. Starting to cool down. Like I suggested, coming into the close, we will have people sell off. I'm sure of it. There's no reason why it would stay up. And that's why I would sell it now if I could, if I had the shares to sell. No, don't live in London. But you don't. No, I wouldn't live in London. I hate London. I like London from the perspective of going there for certain events. But no, I live in Cornwall. And you know why, mate. You know why I live in Cornwall. I'm on about the melting pot of Cornwall. Melting pot of London. Every culture in the world there. Now, what we're looking to see, if you're a chart reader and you believe and you're looking to see that we're going to break out of this current trend, you want this point here to push up. See this trend line here, mate. It makes me laugh when people challenge me when it comes to charts. I went all the way in mathematics and stuff like that and accounting and everything. And I understand it. Right, this trend line down here, so you can see we keep hitting a point, and we get resistance, and we bounce off it, and it gets lower each time. This is suggesting that we are trending down. Doesn't mean we are, just means people made up this rule. Okay, it's nonsense, really. When it breaks, if we break this point here. Okay, it pushes up past here. Then we've broken the trend line. Then people will say, "Oh, okay, we're now moving into a new channel." That's not actually, doesn't mean we're going to, but that's how people look at it. So when they look at this, they got the probability is if it bounces off here and if it gets rejected at this point, it's more likely to go down. The market's more likely to go down. People more likely to sell off. It's using charts as probability. But I tell you what, mathematics is far more complicated than that, and probability and statistics don't work like that. They don't know they're on a chart. They work on numbers. They don't work on this. They don't work on patterns like this. But anyway. We can debate this all day long. My IRA is in my ticket to Manchester. My IRA is my ticket to Manchester. Never live in London, just like New York City. There you go. 539. My overall position's good. Down 5.5% on Virgin Galactic. I am very happy to be down 5.5%. Why? Because over the month we're down 21%. So to be down 5.5%. Very happy. Right, 2.5% now. If it goes up, I'll sell it around the 566. If it goes down, 534, I've got an order placed. Either way round is good for me. Right, we've come to the end of our Virgin Galactic special. Thank you very much for joining us. We are back for the closing bell in 27 minutes. So we'll be back for that very, very shortly. Going to end this stream. Thanks ever so much for everyone joining in. I am here. You just tuned in right at the last minute. of our Virgin Galactic members only event. We had something incredible happen today. We had some super chats and members join that weren't members. Incredible. They came in and just became part of it. Amazing. Good morning to you, class qualifier, quality inspector. How are you? 540. Virgin Galactic's having a nice run now. Oh, I'm so frustrated, aren't you? I could have really... This would have been perfect. I was half a cent out. Half a cent out. Oh, man. I set it for 534, knowing it was trending up. And this is why I don't like tea time. Yes, tea time. I'm going to go off now, come back and be back in an hour. This is why I don't like always using the system. Just do it manually, because I would have been setting a stop trail loss all the way up here. And I would have been really, really happy. Not only would I load my percentage, my average, to probably around about 550 with 200 shares. Not only that, I'd have made some decent profit along the journey and stayed in at this point and was happy for it to drop 2 cents. Would have been a perfect trade. And it wasn't for any fault of my own. I did the right thing. It just didn't click through. Thanks for being a top guy, Martyn, and the crew. Yes, you're very welcome, Real Ray. So I'll see you all back in 55 minutes. Ain't any time is tea time. Cup of tea with milk in it, of course. Otherwise, it's merely vegetable soup, as the Americans put ice in it and ruin it anyway. I don't know what they're doing all that for, but anyway, they do. Right, I'll see you back in 55 minutes for the closing bell. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of our scalp trading. We're doing all right. Well, I'm going to leave the limit order placed in there, so we'll see if it drops down. See you, Martyn Lucas. I will see you in 50 minutes. And there we go. There is our scalp trading session, members only. And I'll see you back. And when we come back to the closing bell, of course, it's the overall markets trading everything. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you back in a bit. Till then, take care of yourselves and each other.